Have you ever looked at your Chime credit card, wondered if you could swipe it even when your balance is looking a little bleak? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into that question. Can you actually use your Chime credit card with no money? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about what a credit card is. It's essentially a loan from a financial institution. When you use it, you're borrowing money with the promise to pay it back later, usually with interest. So, can you use it without your own money? Technically, yes. But here's the catch. Credit limit. Every credit card comes with a credit limit. This is the maximum amount you can borrow. If you haven't used any of your credit limit, you can technically make purchases. However, you're still borrowing money. Payment due date. Remember, this is a loan. You'll have a payment due date. Missing payments can lead to late fees, interest charges, and even damage to your credit score. So, while you can use the card, you're essentially delaying payment. Interest charges. If you carry a balance, you'll likely be charged interest. This can add up quickly, making your purchases more expensive. So, while you can technically use your Chime credit card with no money in your checking account, it's not advisable. It's like borrowing money from a friend with the intention of paying them back later. It's okay to do occasionally, but if it becomes a habit, it can lead to financial problems. Let's talk about alternatives. If you're facing financial difficulties, there are better ways to handle it than relying on your credit card. Budgeting. Take a hard look at your spending habits. Are there areas where you can cut back? Creating a budget can help you prioritize your spending and avoid unnecessary expenses. Part-time job. Consider a part-time job or freelancing to supplement your income. Even a few extra hours a week can make a significant difference. Credit counseling. If you're struggling with debt, consider seeking professional help from a credit counselor. They can provide guidance on creating a repayment plan and managing your finances. Now, let's address some common misconceptions. Myth 1. Using a credit card builds credit. While it's true that using a credit card can help build credit, it's important to use it responsibly. Carrying a balance or missing payments can actually damage your credit score. Myth 2. Credit card cash advances are a good idea. Cash advances typically come with high fees and interest rates. It's generally not a wise financial decision. So, can you use your Chime credit card with no money? Yes, but it's not a sustainable or recommended practice. Responsible credit card use is about borrowing wisely and paying back on time. It's a tool, not a solution to financial problems. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.